Okay. In the case of public goods, can anyone tell me the solution? Huh? Free provision, almost there. Direct provision plus free provision is that. Okay, so you need free government or direct or public provision. Have you ever wondered why? Okay, what was the problem for public goods? Non-rivalrous, non-excludable, right? Two problems. You see, public goods are non-rivalrous. What's the implication? NC is 0. Okay? And it is allocated because it's non-rivalrous. It doesn't cost you much to serve one more consumer. It doesn't cost you anything. So MC is 0. For allocative efficiency, what's the condition? P equals to MC equals to 0. Right? That's why it must be free. Yes, exactly. That's why it has to be free. It's to address this problem. They are free in the sense you can't really say I paid this price for this street light or this street lighting. Taxes doesn't count. Taxes, how you know we went to street lighting? Maybe you went to the government official's pocket. Okay? Non-excludability leads to free ridership. Free ridership means there's a lack of willingness to pay.
So it's like, I want this stuff, but I don't want the one to pay.
Correct. I'll wait for my neighbor to pay, then I'll enjoy the fruits of their labor, right? If there's no willingness to pay, there is no effective demand. Because we always define demand as willingness and ability to pay. If there's no effective demand, that means there's no demand curve. Supply curve is standing alone. Very poor thing. No supply, no demand to cut supply, that means there is no price signal. Remember, free market is based on self-interest. If there's no price signal, there's no private production. Private producers won't come in. So that means you need the government to come in. So if you see it like this, then you know something. Government provision is not always free. It's only free in the case of public goods because of these two distinct features that come together. Some students erroneously think every time we talk about government provision, it has to be free. Not true. Your primary school, was it free? No. It's provided by the government, you know. Okay? Unless you are from some international school, right? That is private, it's not government. If you go to SGH, NUH, CGH, if you're lucky enough to not have gone there before, good for you. But if you go there before, you have to pay. It's not free, but it's provided by the government. Same thing for polyclinics. So they are only free in the case of public goods because of these two features. Understanding the solution starts with understanding the problem. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, in the case of cigarettes, can anyone tell me the policies used? Can you run through a slew of policies we use to address? Okay, we have taxes. Very good. Any more? Very good. We have education, right? We have campaigns. Some more. We have bans also, right? Ban / rules and regulations, right? Rules and this is regulation. Later someone will ask me what is this? Regulation. Okay? Let's understand the policies from the problem. Okay? So let me talk about the case of cigarettes that we end today's session. Okay? Okay. So in the case